Amanya gange nze Nasinda Lydia nviiridde Hope VTI. Omusomo guno ngwagadde kubanga njizeemu ekintu kye mbadde sisuubira nti nsobola oyiga naye nkiyize. The bravery of a woman. In your time of need, she does the deed, the magic of a woman. Amanya gange nze Nowero Mbiro. Ndi musomesa ate nga ndi mutunzi, omusomesa w'ebyokutunga. Woman, a savior is a woman. Experience olwaleero gye nfunye bano abandi emabega be ba students baffe wano wetukolera naye ndaba nga tweyongeddeko okuva ku kye tubadde tumanyi.
Hello everyone, manya gange John Mark Senkulu, Creative Director, Senkulu House of Fashion. Workshop was an opportunity for me to improve on my skills. As designers, we usually get designer ceilings, something like that. You know, and reach a point where getting new ideas becomes a bit hard. So this workshop has helped to expand my space of experience. Thank you to Trillionlooks, thank you to the instructors. Our host was nice. It was great. Thank you so much.
Bountiful, wonderful, easy frame. Amanya nze Maseta Simba nga nviiridde Hope VTI. Nsooka okwebaza sponsor wange Christian. Nina bingi bye njizamu ng'okukola tie and dye nga nange nsobola ogenda n'engula materials n'enkola.
Hi, my name is Samali from Hope VTI Chireka. It has been a nice experience to have attended this workshop, and I'm inspired to go back and train other youth in Chireka. Thank you, my sponsors, Hope VTI.